Welcome back. So in this section we're going to be discussing how to add images to your website. So images are amazing. So every website you have beautiful images, they bring your project to life. So and you maybe you take photos by yourself, or you want to use images on the website that are available for free. So images are amazing ways to put beauty to communicate. Just like Swan said, like image, you can speak more than 1,000 words. So and that's exactly what we're going to be doing right now. How do we add images to websites or web application? It's all the same way. So what do you need to do it? Let's get started. So now to add an image to your website, there's a special tag that we're going to be talking about that is called the image element. So this is it. I will just type it here. So this is all we need to add an image to our website or web application. So it's called the image tag. So this image tag take what we call an attribute, and listen very carefully. This is where it's a little bit different from any kind of tags you've been using or we have been introduced to since the beginning of this course. So now you can see paragraph tags just have things in between them. You have a open paragraph P, and then you have your content inside, and then the close paragraph P. The same thing for H2. You have the open H2, your content inside, and the close H2. For main also, you have open main, you have all of these children inside, you have your close main. So for images is a little bit different, because images take what we call attributes. So one of the attributes of the image is the source of the image. So what does source mean? It's just like the way we say it. Source means that where is this image located? Where can I find it? Where can I link to it? So it could be from a URL, it could be from a file. So you can just give the path of it. For simplicity's sake, we are going to be passing an URL to this particular source. So the URL where that image is on the website, on the internet, you can even put any image you find. But for an example, we have an image here already. So we could just copy this URL, right? And then just paste it in here. And you can see, voila, our image is already loading this cute cat here. Isn't this adorable? And that is how simple it is to show image on your website or web application. It's as simple as ABC. So, and one thing you want to note here is that this image tag here, we have this, and so you can see the image tag is actually self-closing. Even without even self-closing it, it works fine, right? So, but then you could just self-close it like that. So it's self-closing, and then it's gonna work. So you don't have like image tag and then like this image. So like I said, that HTML is very, very forgiving. You can see there is no error, everything's still render fine. But then you don't want to do this, because it's like waste of typing, right? So image tag is like self-closing. You don't want to do that. So you just want to leave them the way it's are, or you can just self-close it this way, and then you have an image tag. So another thing you want to have is what we call alt image. Is another kind of attribute that image takes. We call alt. So anytime you are putting an attribute, you can see the attributes are lighted in red. So you see this attribute defines an alternative text description of the image. So you'll get what I'm saying right now. Imagine we just put something like this. There is no image coming up, right? Because the file reference to this image is broken. So HTML just like, okay, there's no image coming in, I'm just going to show anything. But if we have an alt, we could have something like a cat in Thai. You can see that. And then we don't have the image, but we have this description of what the image is, and that is very good. And aside from that, for people that are going to be on your website on screen reader, they can get the gist because maybe they are not able to see, maybe there are people that are like visually impaired. So you want to accommodate and make your website accessible and inclusive for everyone. That is what we want, right? So then when they are going through your site, then when they get to the image, the screen reader can tell them, oh, this is a cat in the Thai, which is really good. So, and then if you get back our image, we have it there, but then the alt image also is also available for users, that needs it. And even if your browser is broken or the image is taken down, you can still have the alt showing up for the users and they can have a pleasant experience. So, and that is that about alternative image and how images work. So before we go, I'm going to show you some amazing websites where you can get awesome images for your project. So one of them is called Unsplash. Unsplash.com. So Unsplash.com is an amazing website. So where you can get high resolution images absolutely for free. You can see them absolutely for free. Amazing images. So let's say we want another photo of cat here, and then we can search. You can see this other. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So we could take this photo, or maybe it's like copy the image URL. I'm not sure. Yeah, copy image address for instance, and then we can come here and just replace the URL here with this, and then we have our adorable cat. Isn't that good? See that? That's so cute, and that's amazing. And sometimes maybe you need illustrations, and you can also go to undraw.co. So they give you amazing illustrations that you can use in your website absolutely for free. Thank you very much. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.